Once upon a time, in a faraway village, there was a kind-hearted young man named Matt. He was always eager to lend a hand to those in need. One day, while walking through the forest, he met an old hermit who lived alone in a crooked little house. The hermit, grateful for Matt's kindness, decided to reward him. "I have something for you," said the hermit, handing Matt a dusty, golden lamp. "Rub it, and a giant will appear. He will grant you one wish, but be careful with what you ask for." Curious, Matt rubbed the lamp, and with a loud boom and a cloud of smoke, a giant appeared. "I am the giant of the lamp," the giant bellowed. "I am your slave. Give me a task, or I will eat everything around me." Matt, though a bit startled, quickly thought of a clever plan. "Well, I don't want you to eat everything," he said with a nervous laugh. "Instead, I want you to grow crops in my field." The giant smiled and nodded. "That's easy for me," he declared, and with a few mighty stomps, he made the crops grow tall and strong in no time. When the giant returned, he was eager for more work. "What's next?" he asked. Matt thought carefully, trying to come up with a task that would tire the giant out. "Straighten my dog's tail," Matt said with a grin. The giant raised an eyebrow. "Straighten your dog's tail? But, how can I do that? It's already a tail." Still, the giant set to work, pulling, twisting, and tugging at the dog's tail, but no matter what he did, it stayed as curly as ever. The giant tried for days, using every technique he could think of, magical spells, special stretches, and even trying to roll the tail straight like a scroll. But nothing worked. "This is impossible," the giant sighed in frustration. "I can lift mountains, build castles, but I can't straighten this dog's tail."
After many days of failed attempts, the giant sat down, utterly exhausted. "I'm sorry, Matt. I just can't do it. Your dog's tail is too tricky for me," he confessed. Matt laughed and patted the giant on the back. "Don't worry, giant. You gave it your best shot, and that's all that matters. I won't hold it against you." Matt forgave the giant, and from that day on, they became the best of friends. The giant continued to help Matt with his chores, and Matt always made sure the giant had tasks that didn't involve straightening dog tails. They lived happily ever after, laughing and working together as true friends.
The end.
Subscribe to my channel.